What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to the bar. I'm in Tenerife, so you know what that means. Let's go check out some Cali parks. That's what's up. That's a comfy setup. Nice high dip bars with a little box underneath. Push bar. Nice pull bars. What's your name, my guy?
My name is Juan Esteban.
Let's go for a front lever.
Okay.
Whoo! Beautiful. Sheesh. Good job. You know your boy has to get a few muscle ups in here. Quick 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's some good bars. Okay, let's go find some other ones. Okay, another big boy, guys. Look at this. I like it here. Nice rings on this one. It's very clean here as well. Nice monkey bars. A lot of pull-up bars, different heights. Yeah, these rings are decent. Dippies. Low parallel bars. Yo man, what's your name?
Diego.
Nice to meet you. Let's go for some pull-ups. Now that's clean. Clean. Yep. Woo! Good job, man. Good job.
Un poquito.
You want to go for a muscle up?
Okay.
Let's go. What's your name?
My name is Oscar.
Nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you.
On which bar? There? Okay. Yep. 2. Let's go for 5. You got one more. Nice. Did some muscle ups with the guys. That's a good spot. I was walking to another park and saw this one. Small little setup. A very loud area. A lot of people walking by. So let's go this way and find the park that I was looking for. That's what I was looking for. Look at the view, boys. Pretty wide pull bars. If you've been watching the channel, then you probably know that I love comics. Sadly, everything is in Spanish. Another big boy. And another section right here on the sand. Looking good. And some low parallel bars as well. Beautiful. There's a basketball court right next to it as well. Just look at the views. And you can see Mount Teide in the distance. A 40-minute walk from the previous spot, we get this beauty. It's almost impossible to be here at the moment. The wind is so strong and all the sand is flying around. But other than that, it's a beautiful spot. Whoo! Let's go. That's a pretty big park. I like the vibes. Let's go check out this push-up bar. Perfection. Pull-up bars. Nice wide ones. I like that. Low parallel bars over there. Good ones. And dip bars. A lot of room here. I was training here exactly a year ago during a storm. The wind was mad. These trees right there, they were bended like this. And I remember it was raining and I was doing push-ups and dips. I had a set of dips and push-ups. I can't remember exactly what, but I remember sitting there, resting, and I felt like I cannot leave until I'm finished with my reps. And that was miserable. But I did my work and left. And as soon as I left, the rain stopped. So yeah, that's a good memory. I like this park. A smaller setup. A lot of guys working here. Nice to see. Let's go. Good shit, man. The main pull-up bar. That's a nice park. An accidental find. I didn't know this one existed here. Pole bars. Some kind of rings. Weird ones. Monkey bars. Pretty nice views as well. Low parallel bars for handstands, handstand push-ups, or regular push-ups. Hey man, what's your name? What's your name?
My name is Charles.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, Charles from Kenya here.
From Kenya?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm here in Europe as an acrobatic.
Oh, okay. So you train a lot of handstands, I guess?
Yeah, I train a lot of handstand, and it's a talent I started when I was a little bit younger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have been doing this right now for 4 years.
Oh, okay. Can you show some handstands?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go. Sorry about the background noises. There's some constructions going on around here. But damn! Look at this boy go. Nice. It was nice meeting you.
Nice
Thanks for
meeting
showing
you
your
too.
handstands and everything.
Nice, thank you.
Keep working hard.
Yeah, thank you.
See ya. Good to be back. It feels good to return to places that you've already been to. I trained here a year ago and I did a video as well, so you can check it out if you want to. But yeah, did pull-ups here, did some dips here. It has these mad holes everywhere, but I don't mind. Adds a little bit of a character to the spot. These benches here, you know we love benches on this channel. A nice spot with some pretty good views. If I'm already here, I gotta get some muscle ups in. On to the next one. Let's go. Beautiful location. Palm trees everywhere. Ocean back there. The bars are not the best ones, but you can work here. It's pretty clean as well. Some weird monkey bars. This is the pull-up bar. It's pretty low, but whatever. Yeah. This one's in a pretty busy area, attracts a lot of people. right next to the ocean. Matter of fact, let's go check out some waves. Let's go. So these were the parks I visited, and there's a lot more around here. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to support it, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.